tips, like if you don't want that your teeth should get discolored during this period, you can use straws to drink colored drinks, like for example green tea, iced tea. You can drink with straw so that it doesn't discolor your teeth. And sometimes the baking soda, you can just use that. You can rub it on your teeth, not very vigorously, not aggressively, just a little bit, so that all the stains can be cleaned. And do some regular mouth washes. For example, Purexa antioxidant mouthwash you can use to keep your mouth clean. So all these things add confidence to your smile.
Hi, good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir. Thank you so much for this lovely session. I just wanted to ask, as you're suggesting there is a toothbrush, is there any specific brand that you guys use which we can just go and get?
Battery brushes versus the manual brushes. If we have a comparison onto that, the battery brushes have a 1.6 times more cleaning efficiency than the manual one. As Dr. Sween suggested, because you are doing a double movement, right? You're going with the actual bristle movement of the battery, and then you're moving your hand as well. So that's what makes it a better mechanical cleansing aid than the regular brush.
Thank you so much.
I'm Dr. Puneet Kathuria. I'm the director for Dr. Kathuria's Dentistry based in New Delhi. And today we had a great session with all the finalists for Miss Diva 2021 finalists for this year. And it was great interacting with them. We happened to discuss about the various small tips and tricks where they can improve their smile. They can have a better, more confident smile matching with their personality. And at the same time, how well they can maintain their teeth and that beautiful smile for a lifetime. It was excellent interaction with all of them. There were a few questions they were kind enough to ask, and we hope we justified those answers. Wishing all of them, all those gorgeous girls, all the best and a happy journey towards this finale. All the best. Thank you.
Hi girls, I'm Dr. Sween Kathuria. I'm an endodontist and a cosmetic dentist by profession. And creating smiles is not only my profession, but it's my passion, because it makes this world a better place. So I wish you all the best endeavor and your bright future, and may the best girl win.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। आज हमारा मास्टर क्लास था डॉक्टर कतूरिया के साथ, और जिसमें हमें पता चला कि हमें एक हेल्दी और ब्यूटीफुल स्माइल कैसे मेंटेन करनी चाहिए, और स्माइल कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है, नॉट सिर्फ पैजेंट के लिए, हमारी नॉर्मल लाइफ में भी स्माइल कितने इम्पोर्टेंट है, ये हमें समझ आया आज। और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा जब मैं उनसे पर्सनली मिलूंगी, और डेफिनेटली मैं उनसे मिलने का वेट भी कर रही हूँ, तो मुझे और भी काफी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिले कि मैं अपनी अच्छी स्माइल को कैसे मेंटेन कर सकती हूँ। That's it. Thank you so much.